Plant is actually something that converts the soil nutrients into flowers and fruit. So in real, soil is the thing from where the food is coming out of. So in this video, we will talk about dead and unfertile soil media, what causes it, and how we can turn it back to a powerful, nutrients-filled, soft and porous soil media using organic techniques. So let's know about this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, it's important to know why we need to charge the soil with the nutrients again and again. So soil is like a carrier of nutrition for the plant, and when we water, the nutrients go inside the plant along the water. The plant keep using the soil nutrients and hence less nutrients or no nutrients in the soil. Another reason that makes the soil dead or unfertile is the leaching. Leaching is simply the draining out of nutrients from the soil, causing the soil to become unfertile or nutritionless over time. Means when we water, the excessive moisture that comes out of the drainage hole is actually the nutrients flowing out of the soil. It's a slow process but happens all the time. This also causes the soil to become less fertile over time. If we go at the base and try to define a healthiest and most ideal soil media for plants, it would be like a soft and porous mixture rich in dissolved nutrients with a normal pH. Gathering these qualities can really make the soil fully charged and nutrients filled. We can't just add a lot of fertilizers and expect the soil to be charged again. Fertilizers mostly have nutrients that needs to be decomposed first, and then they will be available to soil and roots. On the other hand, in the forest ecosystem, there is no one to add fertilizers. This all happens because of microbes, seasonal watering in the form of rain, and falling tree leaves. All of them keeps making the soil nutrients enrich again and again. The microbes keeps on making holes and eating soil, resulting in keeping the soil soft and porous over time. So all of this is not possible in our routine container garden. So we need to find some alternatives to supercharge our soil so it can provide us amazing results. Now let's know what are some ways we can use to make our soil full of nutrients at home. Doing these things will charge your dead soil with nutrients, and now it will work much better than any chemical fertilizer. First, we can use compost tea. The liquid draining out of our composting bin is filled with absorbable nutrients. We can apply it to the soil time to time and it will get better. New microbes will continue to do the eating and enhancing soil. But this gonna take time. The soil will get better over time, not after 1 to 2 applications. Don't add the compost tea to the soil of a potted plant. For that, you have to dilute it. You can follow a detailed video on compost tea from the description box, and do subscribe to our channel. Another easiest way to supercharge the soil is to use vegetable peels. They have a lot of nutrients. Just keep them in a container for a few days. All the moisture will drop to the bottom. It's full of nutrients. You can add it to our dead soil. Keep using this every week and your soil will keep on getting better and better. You can use this soil after 1 to 2 months for your vegetable plants and the results will amaze you. Another way to charge the dead soil is by using a compost and manure. Not the store-bought compost, the one made at home. It's organic and alive. Keep using it for soil and keep the moisture maintained in the soil and it will keep on getting better and better. This is also a slow process. The compost and the manure like cow dung, chicken manure, horse manure, etc. all works slow. Keeps on using on your raw soil and the soil will become alive and alive over time. You can also watch videos on compost and cow dung manure making from the description box. You can't use this charged soil directly and immediately on plants. Let the microbes and nutrients absorbed by the soil. It may take a month or so, but afterwards you can use this powerful media for growing any kind of plant like vegetables, flowering plants, indoor plants, cacti and succulents. The best results will appear on vegetables because they need such a media to produce healthy food. Following these techniques can make the soil better, and if we talk about the benefits of such a charged or fertile soil, it would be better plant growth, quick nutrients absorption, healthy stable plants, lesser pest attacks, stronger root structure and much more. Originally, the nature planned the plant growing system on natural and organic techniques. One more such technique is the mulching, which keeps the microbes alive, nutrients intact, reducing the leaching process. So we can't do mulching like nature does in the forest, but there are other ways to mimic that method and make most out of it. In this video, I described all about mulching, how it's done, what to use, what are its benefits and much more. So take a look and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.